In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a meeting on Calendly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick a date, choose a time, add your details on Miles, and lock in your meeting without any confusion. Start by opening the Calendly booking link you were given. You might have received it in an email, a message, or found it on a website. When the page loads, take a quick look at the time zone displayed on the screen. If it doesn't match your local time, adjust it so the available times reflect your actual schedule. This small check prevents booking a slot at the wrong hour. Next, choose a date on the calendar. Days with availability are usually highlighted or clickable, while unavailable dates are grayed out. If you don't see a day that works, use the arrows to move to a different week or month. Remember, availability is controlled by the host, so only the open slots will show up. After selecting a date, you'll see a list of time slots for that day. Pick the time that best fits your schedule. You may notice the meeting duration listed, such as 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Keep that in mind when choosing a slot so it doesn't overlap with your other commitments. If your schedule changes, you can always go back and select another time before finalizing. Once you've chosen your time, continue to the next screen. This is where you'll enter your details. Type your full name and a valid email address that you check regularly. Calendly will send your confirmation and calendar invite to this email, so accuracy matters. A quick double check helps avoid missing important updates or reminder notifications. You'll also see a field to share the agenda or the reason for the meeting. Provide a clear, concise description of what you'd like to discuss. Include any goals, key topics, or relevant context that will help the host prepare. This makes the meeting more productive and ensures everyone arrives on the same page. Avoid including sensitive or confidential information unless it's necessary and appropriate. When everything looks good, schedule the event. You should see a confirmation screen showing the date and time in your selected time zone. You'll also receive a confirmation email, often with links to add the meeting to your calendar and options to reschedule or cancel if needed. If the email doesn't appear within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder. That's it, your meeting is booked. Follow these steps each time you receive a new Calendly link and you'll be set up in just a few minutes.